Microsoft is introducing a new OneDrive feature this week that will facilitate the recovery of ransomware attacks. File Restore is making its way from OneDrive for companies to personal OneDrive accounts. The problem is that you will need an Office 365 subscription to access the new File Restore feature. OneDrive users can now use it to restore files from any point in the last 30 days. If you accidentally delete a file, you can restore it, or make some incorrect changes and want to revert to a previous copy. Microsoft is promoting the File Restore function as a good way to protect itself against ransomware attacks that block files on a local PC and often tries to delete copies that are stored in synchronized folders by replicating those changes in the cloud. Recently we have seen several of these attacks and the victims have been forced to pay money to try to recover their files. If OneDrive detects a massive file deletion in the cloud, Microsoft will alert users through an email or mobile/desktop notification, and a recovery process will allow it to quickly restore to a time prior to the ransomware attack. It is the first of its kind in the industry, says Seth Patton, General Manager of Office 365. We believe that OneDrive is the safest place to store your files.